Hi folks, this is Dr. Varbali here. So welcome to Cancer Healing Vlogs. What is the concept here? It's a community where we are all getting together with a mission for cancer healing in the long run. 2055 is the target that we have set for this. Okay, so now today's topic we are talking about is the connection between immune system and steroids and what kind of a role that plays in our body. Steroids now, what is the reason a steroid is given? It's because it's going to help in like not just to suppress the immunity when there is like the immune system has gone haywire in some conditions like autoimmunity, but sometimes even for the lung cases where there's lung damage in, on that repair. But there are several other uses on steroid because that's a huge, it's a drug with multiple uses in itself. And this I'm talking about is oral steroids, which are given as a treatment in hospitals. Now, immune system, what is the immune system made for? For those who are not aware of what it's for, it's basically to make sure that the body can fight off any bacteria, viruses, or anything that is ingested or anything that's part of the body to ensure that the body takes care of its daily functioning. But if the immune system has reduced, when you say reduced, its effectivity has reduced, what's going to happen is that those same infections are going to take over and the body cannot handle itself. It cannot take care of its usual work. So what is basically happening when you're giving steroids is that the immune system is getting reduced or suppressed. And because of that, it's also a boon, but it's also a problem at times. Now, why is it a problem? It's because that if it's, like I told you, that the infections can happen, whether it's fungal infections, of late you've seen that with COVID, how with excessive use of steroids, and there are black fungus, and there are also cases of TB. So these are the kind of infections which are called opportunistic infections that increase when the immune system is reduced. So immune system, if it's gone into hyperactivity. Now, why is steroid given in COVID? If you were to talk about it, is because the immune system has gone into hyperdrive, so you have to reduce that intensity, and that's why steroid. But excess use of that steroid is what's causing the complication. So there needs to be a correct balance, and only where it's required. So this is just a basic idea about what the immune system plays a role in the body with connection with steroids. And this is just one side effect of it. There are several other side effects that steroids can cause, but since we're just discussing all this, there's some basic info for you. Hope that helps. Yeah. Cheers.